Ready? We are here. Hey guys and gals, welcome back to our channel. I don't know what I'm going to call this supper, but we're starting out with deer steaks and corn on the cob, and I got some yellow peppers, red peppers. Gonna get rid of some onions in the garden. Not get rid of them, we're gonna use them. Some onions from the garden and some that we bought, because I don't know, I'm gonna throw it all in this big waka waka pan thing and see what we can come up with for a meal. Alright, we'll get back to you in a few. Alright, here we are. I got some fresh garlic I'm gonna put in there. I'm gonna put a yellow pepper and a red pepper, some leftover onions, probably in another whole onion, and it's chopped this onion or whatever, garlic thingamabobber, whatchamacallit. Chop it up.
Let it set for about a minute.
What?
Before you put it in.
What?
Because of that holds the flavor in.
What?
A lot of people don't know that.
So now I gotta set it lit.
By the time you cut it up, it's probably a minute.
So anyway, but going over here, camera lady. Got all the venison cut up into nice little chunky chunks, and guess what we started out with, everybody together? Real butter. We put real butter, like 3/4 of a stick. So, cause butter makes venison taste yummy. I think we're gonna call this venison. You're slipping on your camera duty there, blonde lady. Anyway, we're gonna call this, I think, venison pepper steaks. So, or chunks. They're not really steaks, so. But yeah, we're gonna get this venison cooked down. And I'm gonna chop up some of that red pepper, and I'm gonna do some sneaking around, investigating to see what else I can put in here. So now I got, my minute is up, I believe. So we're gonna put my 1 minute garlic into that. And we're gonna let all of that cook for about probably half an hour, and then we'll get back to you. Alright, let's try this again. Take 2. Alright, this sweet corn is done. The pepper venison steak is all done. We're getting ready to serve it up. Evan's ready for something, I don't know what. And the redhead showed up. Yeah. Liz has her own YouTube channel called Eli the Unicorn.
Yeah.
Eli the Unicorn. And the blonde lady.
Hey everybody, how you
doing?
Come here, Chub Bug.
Alright, thanks. Out to win, guys and gals.
Ron Hazelton's House Calls is being brought to you by RonHazelton.com. Free home improvement videos online 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
Yeah, there's mountains over there somewhere. Wow, that's some pretty bad wind. That's crazy. Keep looking for Dorothy's house. It should be showing up any minute now. Wow. What do you think, blonde lady? Pretty wild, huh?
Yeah, wait for the rain.
Oh, look who's here.
Wait for the rain, huh?
Ready for the rain.
Oh my goodness.
You got a grandbaby again today.
Wow, look at that, it's getting worse.
And the dogs are going, yeah, we don't want to go out there.
It's moving our RV.
Yeah, there's a big old dust storm here today. Can't even see the neighbor's houses over. Oh, I guess you can if you look real hard. Wow. So the thing nice about Nevada, when it's windy, the wind blows all the dust one way, and then the next wind, when it changes, it blows it back the other way. Alright, we'll talk to you later. Hey. Hey.
Whirly.
Whirligigger?
Whirly thing went across.
What are you doing?
Wow, look at that. You can't even see the neighbor's house. Look how
Hi,
bad.
Evan.
You can't even see their house now, Evan.
Oh, it's getting bad.
Well, we're supposed to have flash floods.
That was lightning.
Oh,
Look at the windmill go.
look at that.
Getting all the dust out of our yard, that's for sure.
Go down. Wow.
You just see it in layers. What do you think, Silver?
Here comes the rain. I felt it.
Yeah, look at that wind. Gonna get a rainstorm.
Oh, look at that electrical line and way over there. It's like,
Blah, 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 blah.
holy snow.
Oh, that girl almost crashed.
August is supposed to be monsoon weather, so.
He's drinking. Drinking his milk.
So we'll see, huh?
Look at that crow sitting on the
Oh,
line.
look at all the dust.
He's hanging on for dear life.
I smell rain. It's flying.
Yeah.
Wow, look at the dust coming up. Phew. It's just shaking the fifth wheel pretty good.
Our house is moving. I don't know if you can see. Oh yeah, you can. There's a wall of dust. See the clouds clearing, and that might be rain.
So I said,
Mixed in with the dust. The dust is holding it. It's pretty cool. Mr. Crow's having a good time hanging on. He's going, I knew I should have went drinking. I shouldn't have went drinking last night. Now today I gotta fight for stuff. Yeah, that might be a rainstorm coming in. On the other side of that white trailer, there was stuff flying in the air. So yeah, I think that's rain coming in. That you can see the wall right there. I think that's rain. So, all right, guys. Looks like the weather's gonna go around us like it always does. The wind calmed down and skies are different over there. Looks like it's raining on the other side of the hill, but like always, we're gonna miss out on the rain. Alright, thanks for watching our channel. God bless everybody. Support your troops, support your president. Get out and vote, support the police. Get out and vote. Get out and vote, and get out and vote. God bless everybody. We'll talk to you later.